What it do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. As you can see from the title and the thumbnail of this video, this is a scam, guys. So let me just show you how these guys are scamming people. So first things first, they have access to the smart contract. So that means they have privileges to the smart contract. So that means they can ban wallets. And another thing is they are draining wallets. How they are draining wallets? Okay, so when you come over here to withdraw, as you can see right here, I have 0.10 BNB to withdraw. In my MetaMask wallet, I have 1.35 because I fell for the scam. Okay, so I'm going to explain everything to you right now. Okay, so I clicked on withdraw, right? I had about 1.1 BNB in my wallet. So when you click withdraw, MetaMask will pop up. Okay, MetaMask will pop up as normal. MetaMask will pop up as normal, and usually, when you come to withdraw, you don't really pay attention. You just scroll down and you hit confirm, and boom. But I do actually pay attention, and I saw because I had 1.1 BNB in my wallet. I saw 1.1 BNB. I was like, wait a minute. This is not right because I'm only going to withdraw 0.10 BNB. So how come I am going to withdraw 1.1 BNB? But then I went back to my MetaMask wallet and I was like, this figure actually matches the number in my MetaMask wallet. So this cannot be right. So what I did was I transferred my BNB from that wallet to a different wallet and I only left 0.1 BNB just to cover the gas fees, okay? So then this figure right here changed, okay? But silly me, okay, I felt for it. I was like, okay, let me try it out and let's see what happens. Okay, so I click confirm, and what happens instead of me receiving the available for withdrawal, my 0.1 BNB were gone. Okay, so as you can see right here, right here. Okay, so my 0.1 BNB were gone. Okay, so I was tracking the transactions, okay, and my 0.1 BNB landed on this wallet, okay, created 2 days ago, okay, and already has 9.7K. Okay, so I'm gonna leave these wallets in the description below. You can do whatever you want, but just stay away from this project, guys. So if you were an investor in this project, do not try to claim your rewards no more, because if you do, and if you have BNB in your wallet, you best believe that BNB will be gone. So don't fall for it and avoid this jet shine scam, okay? Because this is a scam, and this also it's a teaching lesson because most of you didn't know about this scam. So now you know. Every time you're going to claim, please pay attention of what you are going to approve, okay? Make sure that you read the MetaMask pop-up, okay? Make sure you fully understand. Make sure you are agreeing with everything that you see before you confirm, because once you come over here and confirm, there is no turning back, okay? And this scam, it's very easy to fall for it, okay? So let's say I had 10 BNB in my wallet and I went ahead and confirmed. That 10 BNB would be gone, okay? Because, I easily fell for it. I didn't read the gas fee message, and I just went ahead and confirmed to claim my rewards, and I forgot to pay attention to it. Okay, so please, guys, before you invest in any before you claim, make sure you read the MetaMask pop-up. Make sure you fully understand what you are doing before you actually go ahead and confirm. As you can see right here, this one, it shows that, okay, I'm gonna send my 1.29 BNB to this wallet address right here. Okay, guys, so that's just a quick update about JETSHINE. Stay away from it, okay, because these guys are scamming, and for me, it's game over. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna disconnect my wallets, and luckily I didn't have to approve anything because this is BNB. But if it was stablecoin, you best believe they would be draining wallets right now. But because BNB, you don't have to approve your BNB, you just have to invest, right? They are using this way to drain wallets. So when you go ahead and confirm, withdraw your rewards, instead of receiving, you are sending away. Okay, so yeah, game over for JETSHINE. Stay away from it, and please make sure you learn from my mistake. Okay, so in the future, me and you won't be scammed. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.